welcome back to EllafulDeco. Today we are going to be making a bookend. And when you hear bookend, you probably think of those floral blocks or the arch bookends. And those are all really pretty, but that is not what we are going to be making today. We are going to be making a regular bookend. I got this bookend off Amazon, and the idea is to make a flat piece and attach it to this bookend to make it look a little bit nicer. And I haven't tried it yet, so we are going to be making this together. So let's get started. We are using this arch mold to create the arch piece that will be attached to the bookends. It is just a flat mold. For the resin, we have our Total high performance resin, the slow hardener version, already mixed up. This piece will be made in 2 layers. The first one we will place our floral design, and the second will be our background colors. So for now, we are just pouring a thin first layer to place our florals and paper specimens. I will have all the supplies used to create this piece listed in the description, as well as any discount codes I have available for you. You'll be able to save on resin, molds, and glitters with my codes. We are creating a beautiful foresty scene with some moths from Moth and Myth and a variety pack of white flowers. Once our flower placement is set, we are going to add some glitters. The top looked a little bit plain, so the sparkles will definitely add a lot. We had let our first layer set for a few hours now, and we're back for the background layer. For the background, we are mixing up some Imperial Emerald and Green Pyromorphite from Mayspring, and I have this Gold Shifty Ghost Pigment. Once all the colors are mixed, we are going to try a different kind of pour this time. Let's drizzle the resin and see what kind of unique pattern we will get from this. Our arch is now cured and we're ready to demold this. The back is definitely giving me that foresty vibe that I want. Okay, wow, this looks so magical. This butterfly is my favorite specimen from Moth and Myth. It's just gorgeous. These white flowers also look really nice in this theme. And I think we nailed it with the forest colors in the background. The darker green didn't show much, but you can still see hints of it. The sparkles though, they shift a bit so it looks like a beautiful night sky. I domed this arch off camera so we can jump right into attaching this arch to the bookend. Here is what the arch looks like domed. It's extra shiny. I started adding a dome coat to all my pieces now because the shininess from the top coats makes the pieces so much nicer. I have a doming tutorial on my channel for you to check out after this video if you want to see how it's done. Here is the bookend that we are going to attach to the arch, and we are going to attach this with UV resin and a UV lamp. The UV resin is from Totable and the UV lamp is from Amazon. I bought the lamp a while ago, so I don't remember the specific one or the specs. I think it was like 36 watts or something. As for the UV resin, Totable is my go-to because it cures super hard. It's not sticky or bendy for days. 3 minutes under the UV lamp and it's good to go for me. If you want to try it out, I do have a discount code for you in the description. To apply the UV resin, we are just going to go around the sides of the bookend and then put the UV lamp over it to cure. Notice that my bookend is transparent, so that allows the UV light to cure the UV resin. If you have an opaque bookend, the UV resin won't work because the UV light won't get to the resin. Make sure your bookend is clear or transparent if you are going to attempt this project. Right now we are just going to run the lamp for a minute and I'm going back and forth between the top and bottom to make sure the light is getting to all the resin that we applied. I am pressing at the bookend against the arch and it doesn't seem to be moving at all. I am pulling a bit at the bottom of the arch and it seems to be fine. It looks like this will hold up. I will show you how it holds up with the books, but first let me show you a slight problem we ran into. I couldn't put the arch completely at the bottom because the top corners of the bookend will peek through a little, so I had to shift the arch up. You don't really notice it too much when you place the books on it though. The weight also seems to be a bit much and it's toppling over when I place it on a softer surface. I have a foam board underneath this and you can see how the bookend just fell. It was fine when I placed it on the table earlier, but this is also another issue that can be solved with some books. And let's place them to see. I don't have too many reading books to be honest, but I have lots of notebooks and a heavy planner we can use for this. I think with this test, one thing we have to be mindful of is to make sure that the weight of the books is heavy enough. Once we placed the planner, this bookend does its job exactly like it should. And this bookend is actually really pretty. I love how we're able to take a piece that seems like just a regular decor and add a function to it. Functional art is always nice. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this project. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed making this bookend with me, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments below what you want to see next. I'll see you next time!